Hi friends, welcome to Crypto Vulture. Friends, today let us know some new updates from the Bitcoin. And before that, please subscribe this channel, and in the description link, I give the Telegram channel links. Definitely follow the Telegram channel. You will get all the updates, and try to follow in Twitter. There also you will get a lot of updates. Let us see some proofs. I will show you how our analysis is working from past days. If you observe that yesterday I made a video, on the same time I made this idea in TradingView. If you observe this, it has been properly worked, that idea. If you see that almost it has been a correction happened here. And if you see that previous to that day, if you see the video, the same day, the past 3 to 4 days I am making the videos and I am creating these ideas, so that you can observe that the properly the ideas are executed. And at the same time, if you see here, already I told that we can move up here. Already it has been done. Then again it was a correction is happening. Before to that, here you can see the same correction. I told that in the past 10 days the same correction has happened here. If you observe here, the same thing happened clearly. Let's see here, from here to here it happened. Then again I told that in next video it will move up. It had moved up, and yesterday video I told that again there will be a dump. It's the same thing. It's a very simple thing. Here let's gain the knowledge, and if this the knowledge, if you like, let's share this knowledge with everyone. Right now let's jump into the analysis. Okay, if you see that Bitcoin, in long term Bitcoin is showing like a cup and saucer pattern, but it is not working well, because today's evening data will decide that the market will be a bullish or bearish for this weekend, upcoming next 2 to 3 days. Why? Because today night you will have the unemployment and farm PMI's data is there. That is the most important data. It will also most helpful, that will decide that market direction. And let's see after the US market open how the market is going to behave. As of now, this is the situation. If you observe that there is a bullish move in the crypto, at the same time there is a big resistance coming from the side. If you observe here, there is a proper resistance, so you can see here. So clearly there is a rejection there. Nearly lot of times the rejection also happened here in the short term, we can observe. So let's see, there will be some correction. Every time the correction is good for the market. In every correction, any bull correction, you will find that at least 60% of the correction will be more. I will show you how I told you in the past days, and how my corrections I am telling you. It is the basic phenomena we can tell from the Fibonacci retracement. So that, like, let's see here properly. Let's see, it came to the 61%. So this is the golden ratio. From here, let us we can expect little bit bounce. In case sometimes it will move down also, it doesn't make that much difference. And I will show you that with the volume data we can tell that we can come up to $23,200. After that we will see a definite, see, you can see here, this is the main support area. You can find that from here there will be a bullish. So yesterday also we made the signals, they also gained a good profit. And at the same time I made one more long signal also, but we are having a two entries with a different type of targets. Let's see here, like this, gain this knowledge from here and share with your friends and family also. And next, jump into the most important thing, that is a USDT dominance. I will talk a lot of thing about the USDT dominance every day. Why? Because this is the inverse relation thing. So the inverse relation, it will help you very smart. At yesterday night, what it happened, it has been broken. Then it was a fake out. I thought that it has been broken properly. Let's we can see a big mullish, but it's not happened. So right now there will be a correction. That correction may go from where to where we don't know, because evening data will decide that how much length of this correction will be there. Then you can see in the ETH, the same thing is happening in the ETH. If you see here, the same thing you can observe in the ETH in the daily chart analysis. You will find the same pattern, but at the same time you have a great resistance here. If you saw here, there is a proper resistance here. So I can show you. See, there is a proper resistance, but little bit fake out. If you observe here, and then also it is not a proper breakout. And if you saw here, one more resistance is there. At the same time, how many positives are there? And at the same time, there are the negatives also there in the market. If you see in the MACD, it is showing a bearish sign in 4 hours. So let's see the MACD. The MACD is showing a proper bearish signal. And if you see the Bitcoin, it is also showing a proper bearish signal. And if you saw that these are nothing but, most of the times in the bull market there will be a this correction type of things. And if you observe in the RSI also, that overbought regions will be stay itself, and automatically the Bitcoin will go move to upside. So that's why there will be a little confusion in the starting days. You are going to grab this knowledge in upcoming days. One more very important thing is there in the Bitcoin. I will show you in the weekly chart data, and as well the daily chart data. So if you observe here, right now there is a golden crossover is coming. So let's see here, the important golden crossover is coming. So if you observe here, in the weekly analysis or in a daily analysis, if you observe here, you will find that golden ratio. So in case if this red line crosses the green line, then you will find the very good bullish move, means it will move upside. If you saw here, this was the death cross. Any death cross, the red cross line will be come down and the green line will be go up. So if you observe here, it was a death cross. Here again, if you see it, the mood, it is a golden cross. Here it is a death cross. At the same thing, in 2020, you will find the same thing. So right now we are expecting a great move in the market if this golden cross will happen. So this was a just correction. Take it as an opportunity. At the end of the correction, from that area, you start making long. So take for confirmation. Why? Because in the daily analysis, if the correction is coming to near, means at least it will take more than a, so be careful in the correction time. Don't try to be more longs. If you are doing also, then make the 2 to 3 entries and be with a good leverage and maintain the leverage, maintain the low risk. So you need to have a good margin ratio when you need to end the out of profit. So today this was the main important thing, friends. Let's see how the market is from tomorrow, but evening data is very important. So to get all the news updates, try to follow in our telegram link and as well as in Twitter. So friends, if you like this video, definitely like and share this video. So stay tuned with Crypto Vultures. Have a nice day. Signing off.